Hello. So let me first explain you the business scenario. Okay. So what I do, I create videos on my YouTube channel. Okay. And then I want that particular video to be promoted through my Instagram profile. So what I do, definitely Instagram Reels, they get much more, reach. Okay. So what I do is I create one reel per day on my Instagram account, and I want people to type a particular keyword like money, like link, like guide, something. And using ManyChat in the backend, what I'm doing is whenever anybody type guide or link something, a keyword, then they automatically receive a message from my side on Instagram Messenger with the link to my YouTube video. Now, when they click on that particular link, okay, on the Instagram Messenger, which I want that person to go to my YouTube channel, but what happens is it usually opens that YouTube video link on Instagram browser itself or on the browser itself. It does not open a YouTube app. Okay, now as the YouTube app is not open, what happens? By default, nobody has logged in to the browser. Okay, so people normally they log in on their mobile app, YouTube mobile app. So due to this, many times people do not watch the complete video. Next thing is they do not subscribe my YouTube channel. So I want people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I want YouTube to again and again show or recommend my next YouTube videos to the same person. So that's why it is so important that from Instagram I want people to open my YouTube video on their YouTube app, not on browser. So for this, I'm using a tool called LinkTW. Okay, so this is the link. You can create a free account on LinkTW, and let me give you a short demo about it as well. Okay, so this is a ManyChat account. So first of all, this is my Instagram account. Okay, and on my Instagram account, you can see I am creating some videos, reels, and in reels you can see I'm saying that type info or type link, okay, as a call to action. So when and just see one of my video got viral. Okay, you can see I got 397K views. Okay, this particular video, and you can and approx 4 lakh views I got on this particular video. So when anybody type info, okay, if I click on this video, you can just see the engagement. I've got close to 7,000 likes and so many comments. You can just see info. All these people are they're typing info, and using ManyChat in the backend. When anybody type info, it is actually taking that person to my YouTube video. If I click on this, okay, you can just see I've this is a YouTube video link, okay, and instead of directly YouTube video link, I have created a link using LinkTW. Okay, so this is the platform, okay, linktw.in. So 10x conversions with the direct to app link. Create links that open directly on YouTube, Spotify, and other apps. Okay, so you can create a free account. I have shared the clickable link in this video description. So first 1,000 clicks are absolutely free, and then you can go ahead and take their paid plan. I'm using the paid plan, which is $19 per month. Okay, so if I open my LinkTW admin account, okay, so you can see in this admin account, suppose this is my YouTube video. Suppose this is a YouTube video. What I will do, I will just click here, get shareable link. I will copy the link from my YouTube video, okay, and here, if I refresh it, you can see just study the dashboard right now, okay. So these are the YouTube videos link. I just paste my YouTube video link here, and I click here on create account. So it automatically creates a short link. If I copy this, and then I can promote this link, I can promote on my Instagram or other, even through emails, okay. And you can see the recent activity statistical data. I can see, okay, this particular video from where it was opened, okay, using which mobile, okay, phone, and mobile browser, like this, okay. So if I go to statistics, I can see that statistics based on countries, based on other things, okay, based on the mobile app, how many clicks I got, okay, top referrers from Facebook, then top links, okay, this is a top link, okay, and then countries. So I can view from which country I got the maximum clicks, okay, and these people are then going to my YouTube. It is opening their YouTube app, okay. So this is so useful, because I want my YouTube subscribers to also grow. I want that I want to target the same person again and again through my YouTube content. So this is the dashboard, right? So simply, I just have to paste my YouTube video link here, create account, sorry, create link, and this is the link. Then I have to promote everywhere. Okay, maybe through email, maybe through Instagram. Okay, so this is a short demo about how you can do it, and I suggest you also definitely try this. Okay, and this is giving good engagement on my YouTube videos as well. If I go to my analytics, so you can see, let me, okay, you can see 315 views I got in last 1 hour, and most of these views I'm getting from Instagram account. Okay, people, I'm pushing traffic from Instagram to YouTube. Okay, so go ahead and create a free account, and you must also try this tool. For 1000 clicks, it is absolutely free. This is the link, dnaclub.in/linktw. This is my affiliate link, but it is absolutely free for you for 1000 clicks. Okay, try this out. This is so important if you are a content creator. Thank you. Subscribe the channel.